That's how we start our day, folks. So what have I got for you today? This is a 1980 Honda CR80R, fully restored, and right now I've got the smell of two-stroke just wafting through the building. Beautiful, beautiful, folks. Oh, we've got to develop smell-o-vision televisions, haven't we? We really have, because there's no finer way to start the day. So yes, like I say, a 1980 lovely example, fully restored Honda CR80R in all its glory. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, kind of a short video. There you go, there's the VIN tag, well, the frame number on there, frame tag on there. So yeah, just a lovely, lovely example, this. It really is. How much would I want one of these as a kid? How much do I want one now? Never mind as a kid. Yeah, so yeah. So there we have it. So on these kids' bikes, obviously they're not registered. We struggle to finance them, to be fair, but we can do nationwide or international delivery if required. So that's in stock. Like I say, quite a short video on these things. There's not a lot to talk about. It's just lovely and clean, starts and runs as it should do. Right now I've got the beautiful smell throughout the building. I'm lapping it up. I'm sure it's not very good for my health, but I'm lapping it up. So yeah, there you go. Fully ground up restoration. 1980 CR80R from Honda in all its glory. So if you've got any questions on this bike, you can call me on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. I've also got a Wildcat, which we'll come to next. That'll be the other video shortly. And a few other smaller bikes as well, TY80s, etc. in stock. So if you do want to come down and look at something specific, as always, give me a call before you set off to come and look at it, just to make sure the vehicle is in stock. So there you go, folks. A cheeky little video on the Honda CR80R 1980 in stock today. Lovely classic motorbike. Any questions, give us a shout. Don't forget, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that bell for notifications. Stay safe out there, folks. Have a good day. Cheers.